What's up everyone? So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a case study on a killer brand called Alpha. You may have heard of them. They have amazing ads and they have an amazing website, which I'll go over today. They make products for dogs that hurt themselves or might hurt themselves jumping on or off an elevated surface. So a couch or a bed, you jump off of it. If your legs are a little bit weaker, just like any human would, you could hurt your ankle or hurt your leg. So I'm not going to talk too much. Let's get right into the video. All right, so let's hop into my computer. So just to start off, above the fold, you see a really cute picture of a dog. Be your best friend's hero. Amazing. They're not just referring to your dog as a dog, but your best friend. Right away, emotional aspect. Welcome to your dog's happy place. Wagging tails are just a click away. So right off the bat, they're being super friendly and super casual with this, like not taking anything too seriously. Wagging tails, best friends, your dog's happy place. Fantastic stuff so far. Over 8,000 reviews, social proof. You want to sprinkle social proof all over your website, whether it's quote testimonials, whether it's actual reviews, put that everywhere. Start shopping. So instead of just shop now, a little bit different, start shopping. The branded feeling with the paws, amazing. And as you can see, every time you have any sort of call to action, that's the most important part of your page. So you really want to make it stand out. So if I look at this page, the thing that stands out to me the most is that orange call to action button. Even the yellow, you can see that they toned it down a little bit. Now I'm making it a super bright yellow so that this orange can really pop. And then underneath, a 100% no risk money back guarantee. A little thing, if you want to be super cheeky with your guarantee, you can say double your money back if you're not 100% satisfied. That's only if you really believe in your product. If you know the quality of your product, that's something that you can try. Shop our collections, dog, cat, bestsellers. Amazing. So I can see that they branched out of just the dog ramp, but they sell other things as well. Real dogs, real reviews, real life. I love how they split it into a little quote review, but at the same time, carousel to show more and more reviews as you go. And then your pup might also like, this is just great for average order value. You're showing different products that are relevant to the customer. Welcome to the Alpha Paw pack. We're so glad that you're here. And then here's just a little spiel about the company and talking about what they believe in, why they're here. Great. I mean, they talk about the amazing quality, but they lead with the benefit where they're here to make your dog's life happier, healthier, and live longer. So that's fantastic. And then this is the trust. They literally say trust, but this is a great section for trust. Might be a veterinarian, maybe not, or I guess it's Ross Bernstein. So just having that there to validate the products that you're testing or selling, just as a consumer, it makes me trust the legitimacy of this brand a lot more, having an authoritative figure giving a great testimonial. So, and the paw ramp, this is their best seller. This is, I feel like, what put them on the map, and of course you want to capitalize on that. And then just small benefits. So I keep scrolling, but I want to go to the ramp product page. So it should be in the best sellers. So yeah, the paw ramp, 4,000 reviews. So let's look at the landing page now. Amazing. So the landing page, it doesn't have the product right away or the price right away. And that makes sense for this one just because it's a pretty expensive product. It's like $149. So if you're coming off of Facebook ads and you go right here, instead of showing the price right away, you want to continue to get the user's attention and their interests, pique their desire, and then get the action from them. So that's pretty much the AIDA principle. So right away, the paw ramp 2.0, the number one vet recommended dog ramp, that's trust, and then try 90 days risk-free. So again, not just to shop now, not just an add to cart, but a unique call to action. Try it for 90 days risk-free. That's awesome. Again, the benefit with icons, adjustable heights for the better coach, telling you exactly what it does, lightweight and portable, arrives fully assembled. So these are awesome little benefits or little features that it's just gonna make me want to buy it. Like it's fully assembled already. I don't have to worry about anything. It's lightweight, so it makes it easier for me. Peaks flat or to 3.5 inches, so that's really good. And it's adjustable for the bed or the couch, so that's where I'm going to be using it anyways if I'm a consumer. Try it risk-free, so they're really making it so that even if you buy it and you don't like it, you're able to return it. Most people don't anyways, but this just, again, the trust factor, there's there's less worry when going to buy this product. With free shipping, free returns, that's just part of the offer. We're so confident that you will love the new ramp. We're offering free shipping and free returns for 90 days. Again, as a consumer, this just makes me feel a lot more comfortable when buying this product. Try the paw ramp for your dog today risk-free. Watch the testimonial by Dr. Ross Bernstein. The paw ramp. Again, little elements like this. If you're using gem pages, just add this into your product page, and it's just gonna make everything look so much cooler, so much better. Just little things like that. See these little elements too. The cross out, the versus the regular, and then the new price. Maybe you would even want to put the price in green or red so it stands out even more, but black is fine. 20% off. The reviews right here for trust, just building on that trust factor. The paw ramp helps your dog safely up and down furniture, helping to prevent jumping injuries. So this, in one sentence, is exactly what this product does. And that's the unique selling point of this product. It's not just a ramp that looks cool. It's not just has high quality wood. It's not just something that uses grippy felt. It's not something that's lightweight and portable, but the most important thing is that it helps prevent jumping injuries. Now it goes into the features. This hits the emotion. And then, so people buy with emotion and justify with logic. So they're gonna buy because of this. And then when they read the features, they're gonna justify the sale and why they're gonna spend $159 for a ramp for their pet. Additional, so they're just, again, when you're through here, you're already pretty much sold, but then there's an additional 15% off here, so it just sweetens the deal. Again, the add to cart button, all the call to action buttons in the orange. You know, this is the color that stands out the most. And again, this is the most important buttons on your page, so you want to make it stand out. Klarna, really awesome. Instead of paying everything up front, you can split it up. Again, it's a trust factor. It's just gonna reduce the friction in the buying process. More trust, testimonials, having the product actually in action, more benefits of the product, and then testimonials. Normal reviews with, I don't know what the app is. We can check. I'll show you how to check. You just press F, or you just press F12 and press this little thing and highlight it. I believe this app is called Stamped Review. Yeah, I believe it's called Stamped Reviews. So if you search up Stamped Reviews, I'm sure this will show up. Frequently asked questions, definitely an aspect of your product page you should add. More trust from a veterinarian, and then something to increase average order value. So yeah, it's a really great product page. Let's go over the different elements that they have. They have a unique call to action with a risk-free try for 90 days. It kind of quenches the worry of the customer. talks about the benefits and the features of the product. Trust, with a testimonial from a veterinarian. Again, big text, try the paw ramp risk-free. One sentence to explain the emotional aspect of the product and the main benefit, and then some more features to help sell with logic, and then another badge for risk-free guarantee, more trust, testimonials, FAQ, more trust, other products for AOV. Next thing I'll look at, here is a little email pop-up. So this is great, capitalizing on email. So I'm going to scroll up and just show you. So they had 15% off, an additional 15. So this adds even more reason to buy this product, because if I sign up for this email, I get 20% off. Not only does this push the sale, but they also collect my email, so that if I don't actually buy this time, they can remarket through email, which is pretty much free. You just got to pay for the app, the Klaviyo app, or whatever app you're using. So amazing, really cool pop-up, branded. I see the cats. The no thanks is kind of, you don't really see it, so that's a little cheeky. And yeah, it's not just a normal ass pop-up. So let's go to their ads now. Say hello to the last pee pad you'll buy. So they're just promoting the other products that they'll have. Liquid disappears fast like magic, odor-free, leak-free. Just the benefits that they have. Again, I commented on how Klarna was awesome, and they're just really capitalizing on that. And they probably split testing, how this ad copy works. The whole buy now, pay later model. I'm sure it works really well, because before you actually pay for the product in full, you can just return it, and you only spent a third or a quarter of the actual price of the product. Introducing the #1 anti-anxiety dog bed. Yes, the ad copy for AlphaPaw, always spot on. So if you want to take this for whatever product you're selling, whether it's pets, whether it's neck pain, knee pain, water bottles, fitness, whatever it may be, this is a great ad copy format to test. So a headline, a couple of sentences to explain what the product does, an offer, bullet point benefits, testimonials, some more another offer, and then reiterate your offer here with the link. Again, a shorter version of that. So they've tested a ton of different versions. I can see that they're mixing and matching. So if you're having trouble with inspiration for ad copy, take a look at AlphaPaw, because they're doing a really, really great job. So if you like this product and you want to sell something like this in the pet niche, a really good similarity or similar product to this is the dog ramp, but not a dog ramp. It's kind of dog stairs. Sorry, it's a ramp ladder. So what you can do is use the same benefits that AlphaPaw is giving, but just sell a different product. And that's an amazing product research strategy that I've used in the past. So taking something that's already working and then moving horizontally to something that achieves the same goal. So you're selling to the same hungry market that is ready to purchase, but you're just showing them a different product. Maybe find what is bad about this product. Maybe it's too heavy. It looks like it's heavy. It's like a big piece of wood, looks kind of bulky. And tell them that, this one, which looks a lot lighter, maybe you position yourself as a better alternative to this one. Because I also noticed that one of the benefits that they talked about is that it's lightweight and portable. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. Doesn't really say how heavy it actually is. It just says how heavy it can hold, but I assume one of these things is way heavier than what this would be. So maybe your unique selling proposition is a sturdy, extremely lightweight dog ladder, and then you can even talk dirty about this product and say not heavy like the other dog ramps on the market, or not heavy like the other not heavy like the ramp that you're using. So you can position yourself as a better version of what's already on the market and kind of disrupt the market with this one. So the margins are, if it's $21, let's say $30 max, you can easily sell it for close to $100 because they're selling this one for $159. So it's completely competitive in that regard. And at the same time, people love their pets. People love their pets more than they like their children. So as long as you identify a problem, preventing injuries, maybe in your video ad you show a dog jumping off a bed and then talk about how X% of dogs, make sure you get the statistic right, so Google it, 70% of dogs injure themselves when jumping off beds and couches. Paint a problem in the customer's mind and then use this product as a solution to that problem. So yeah, we went through the product, went through the website, went through the product page, looked at some of the ads, an amazing ad copy format that you should definitely try out with whatever product you're using. Again, I'm just going to touch on it. I know I'm closing the video, but this is a great little emoji and then benefit. But yeah, and also another product that you can test that kind of does the same thing and selling to that hungry market. So with that being said, that takes me to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.